Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2025 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. This is the new layout. We're going to take a quick walkthrough. I'll show you some of the features and benefits of this boat, what they've changed, what's awesome about it, and why you want to own it. So starting back here on the new sun pad, you have a large sun pad area. This backrest does flip down here, that Sea Ray backrest, so you can have even a bigger sun pad back there. This one is equipped. We still have the winter cover on this because it is freezing cold up here in New Jersey. But we do have equipped with a 400 Mercury outboard. Great power option for this boat here. Stepping into the boat, you can see that nice Sea Ray wraparound seating all the way around. Great for entertaining, having friends and family out on the water. Again, something that Sea Ray just pays incredible attention to. Some of the things that they've changed in here. So you've got some charging pads down inside the gunnels there. Your cup holders are nice and tucked away, so there's nothing in the way when you're out there walking around the boat. There's no trip hazards. You do have your grab rails. This one's got infinity flooring. Again, more tucked cup holders and those charging pads. Now, one of the biggest differences is they took the head and moved it over to the starboard side of the boat. What that does is that creates a walk-through up here that's a little bit more to the port side, but then you also have a huge area down here. You do have a padding kit that can fill in over the head right there. It is vacuum flush, nice stainless steel sink. Just a great upgrade to the 270, which is already an incredible boat. On the port side now, you have your little co-captain area, as well as a glove box and your radio, and then a storage area underneath there where your table is. Now back to the helm. What they did is they made the helm seat a little bit larger here, so you can accommodate two people very easily. You've got that digital throttle and shift that goes along with the Mercury 400. And then you have twin SIM-RAD screens, which is an upgrade for the 270 from 2025 and on, now from 2025 and on. So great option there. So you have two screens that you can use, one for depth, one for maps, or however you're going to go out boating that day. And then what I think is the most improved part is this great bow area with this side walkthrough. So you have so much more seating up here. Again, Sea Ray's all about entertainment. They want you to be able to enjoy and extend those days and times out in the water. And I think they hit a home run with this. So again, cup holders all tucked away, speakers everywhere, great sound option. Just a great job that Sea Ray did with this design and this layout. Nice curved windshield now. Sits up a little bit higher so you can tuck in behind there if you get caught in some rain. Power sports tower now up above. Again, new and improved. That was a manual tower before. So if you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough of this 2025 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard, you can give us a call at 609-926-0600. We're here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Thank you for taking that walkthrough, and we will see you on the water.